Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through how to cancel your Nordvpn subscription. If you purchased Nordvpn through the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Amazon App Store, you cannot cancel it on the Nordvpn website. Instead, you need to cancel it directly through your App Store account. If you purchase Nordvpn directly from the Nordvpn website, you can cancel the subscription from your Nord account. Here is how. First, open a browser and go to the Nordvpn website. Log in with your email and password. Once you are inside your Nord account, click on the Billing tab on the left side of the screen. In the Billing section, find the option next to Auto Renewal. Click Cancel. A window will open asking you to confirm. Select Cancel Auto Renewal. When this is done, your subscription status will change, and auto renewal will be turned off. This means your subscription will not renew on the next billing date. However, you will still have full access to Nordvpn until the period you already paid for expires. You will also receive a confirmation email sent to your registered email address once your cancellation is successful. That is how you cancel your Nordvpn subscription. Thanks for watching.